The best things in life are free. You've most likely heard that somewhere. How about free and fast PayPal money? Everybody would love that for sure. I bet you'd love it even more if I say that even beginners can totally do this and start to make money online in 2022. In this method that I'm about to share, you don't need to pay to get paid. And of course, this video is free and available to anyone, anywhere in the world. All you need to do is lend me your ears for a few minutes so you won't miss out on the juicy details. So instead of mindlessly scrolling through a bottomless pit of content for the next 9 minutes, make the most of your time, stick with me all the way through the end, and let's make money online. Before we talk about specifics, let me first welcome you to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the newest ways to make money online as beginners in 2022, regardless of background and expertise. If you're into that, it wouldn't hurt to give this video a huge thumbs up, smack the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you'll always be in the loop with the latest money-making tips and tricks. If there's a specific method you would like to see on this channel, let me know in the comment section. I know you're already excited, so let me introduce Prizerebel.com. Prizerebel is a free-to-use survey panel that was started in 2007 with the goal of connecting market researchers and opinion survey takers like yourself. They are trusted by over 12 million registered users globally and have paid out over $20 million in rewards to their loyal members. They can provide you with consistent extra income where you can take paid surveys from the comforts of your home or when you're on a quick break from your school or work. Since they have been featured on Trustpilot, Survey Police, SiteJabber, and Insider, that tells you something about their being legit. After all, market research is a billion-dollar industry and is certainly legitimate. To give you an overview, when a company is developing a new product or service, they need to speak to individuals like yourself to get your feedback. You are the consumer that they wish to market to and the perfect person to give opinions. They are willing to pay you for your opinions through online surveys, and in return, it's a great way for you to make money online whenever you have free time. As payment, you can choose from a wide variety of gift cards: Google Play, iTunes, Steam, Amazon, Roblox, Visa, PlayStation, Nintendo eShop card, or just good old free PayPal money. If you're having doubts, I understand. People often question the legitimacy of survey sites. After all, how is a company making money by giving it away? Survey sites earn money like any business. They are paid by a consumer to provide a product or service. But the consumer in this case is not you. Companies are constantly looking for feedback from customers. They may want to know what you think about a commercial, product, or service experience. All of this helps them move in the right direction so that they earn more businesses. Businesses pay marketing research companies to acquire this feedback and interpret the results. Marketing research companies pay sites like Prizerebel to gather the data for them. Prizerebel splits the money that they make with you as an incentive to use their site. In the end, everybody wins. A distinct feature of Prizerebel that you won't find in any other survey sites is that they have various account levels. Prizerebel rewards consistent users through their account levels feature. Every member starts off at the bronze level. As you earn more points through Prizerebel, you will rise through the ranks and be eligible for more privileges and reward opportunities. This includes bonus points, which will increase the number of points you earn with each activity. These are the points that you can exchange for free and fast PayPal money. For the bronze level, no points are required since everyone starts here. There are no bonus points too because this is just the starting point. A bronze member may also earn 20% referral percentage. Once you get 1,000 points, you will then be qualified to be a silver member and your referral percentage goes up to 25%. If you accumulate more points and reach 4,500, you will become a gold member where you will gain 1% bonus points. The special bonus percentage is a points bonus that is based off your monthly points earnings from offers, surveys, offer walls, tasks, videos, daily points, and referral earnings. It is applied at the end of the month. For example, if you have earned 300 points from the activities listed above and your special bonus is 1%, you will receive a 3-point bonus at the end of each month. To become a Platinum member, you have to have at least 10,000 points, but you'll get a higher bonus percentage of 2% and 25% referral percentage. If your points accumulate to 16,000, then you'll become a Platinum member. You'll be eligible for a 3% bonus percentage and a 30% referral percentage. You will also qualify for contests, raffles, and freebies. Survey sites rarely give out freebies, but Prizerebel does. They host contests and raffles regularly that give you the opportunity to earn extra points. They also regularly post promo codes on their Facebook page that can earn you free points. If you're diligent about checking their Facebook page, this can easily help you boost your account balance and truly earn free and fast PayPal money. Through Prizerebel, you can receive your reward up to 24 hours after you redeem it online. If you're a gold member or above, you are entitled to automatic prize redemption. This means that you will receive your prize instantly, which is practically unheard of with survey sites. In a few moments, I'll be spilling all the tea, so just sit tight and keep your eyes skinned. To make the most out of your time, triple tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications to stay updated with the latest cash generating trends. Check out my other videos and let me know what you think about them in the comment section. Creating an account on Prizerebel is simple. All they require is your name, email, and a created password. You also have the option to link your Facebook account, which can be even easier. So, how do you earn Prizerebel points? There are 4 ways to do it. The first one is through Prizerebel surveys. One of the main ways to earn points through Prizerebel is by taking surveys. Once you complete the survey, you will be returned to the Prizerebel site, and you'll be rewarded with points in your account balance. Trials, internet searches, and email subscriptions. In addition to surveys, Prizerebel offers some unconventional opportunities to earn points. These are through signing up for trials, doing internet searches, or even joining email subscription lists. The third one is through Prizerebel videos. And the fourth one is through daily tasks. Prizerebel offers daily points for tasks that can be done up to 20 times per day. If you're committed to logging on every day, this can be a way to rack up your account balance. Prizerebel is a fun way to earn extra cash in your spare time by taking simple surveys or completing daily tasks for additional rewards. Start earning points today to redeem for cash and earn free and fast PayPal money. If you're still with me and you're not already subscribed, now is the perfect time to share the love by tapping the like button, hitting subscribe, and ringing the notification bell to always be the first to know about money-making scoops. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next video.